Beacon Island in the stunning Houtman Abrolhos Islands National Park is home to one of the most haunting chapters in maritime history, the Batavia mutiny of 1629. You can now respectfully explore the island via a newly installed jetty, walking trail and interpretive signage that brings the Batavia story to life.
It's really interesting as you go through the little walk how there's quotes from some of the survivors and some of maybe the people that didn't survive. Kind of puts you in their shoes, standing in the place where the events actually happened. There's plenty of seals and plenty of birds and plenty of fish jumping. It's a really beautiful place with a pretty dark history.
Only 1,750 metres from where I'm sitting here is where the Batavia wrecked on the morning of the 4th of June, 1629. The survivors came ashore here. A mutiny ensued, and Geronimus Cornelius conspired against the others, and a massive massacre happened. Around 100 people were murdered over the course of the next couple of months that they were marooned here on Beacon Island. The museum have said that there should be around 80 bodies that would be here on Beacon Island.
It's really quite moving to come here because it's even bleaker than you kind of imagined.
I can't imagine being marooned here with a murderer. It's pretty terrifying to think about that.
In July 2019, the Houtman Abrolhos Islands was the first national park created under the Plan for Parks initiative. And since then, Parks and Wildlife have been managing the area, and the intention was, and what we've just achieved, is opening up for tourists to come and enjoy this amazing area and everything that it has to offer and understand the story of the Batavia. One of the main reasons also for constructing the coral path is just to make sure that everyone stays in one area, and that we protect the nesting seabirds, the burrowing seabirds. Just really proud of the product that we've created here. It's a pretty amazing interpretation information for people to discover, and just such an amazing story, and just really hope people can come visit and learn about the Batavia and all the values of this island.